Good morning, student. Today we are taking some numerical based on the combination of resistance. These are the four numerical which we are going to solve today. First question for every problem is calculate the equivalent resistance for the following circuit. We have four circuits. In the whole circuit we need to calculate the equivalent resistance, and this four we need to calculate the I also. Okay, now we solve the first circuit. Solution number 1. We have a circuit in which 3.5 ohm resistance is connected, 2 ohm resistance and 6 ohm resistance is connected between point A and B. We need to calculate the equivalent resistance RE, or this can be also called RAB. This is the equivalent resistance which we need to calculate. So first student, we calculate the complex condition और जो disturbing condition है. Here the disturbing condition is this box. इस box में we need कि जब current यहाँ जाती है, when current is reached at point this, then it will be divided in two sections, and at point B, when it goes to point B, it will combine. Let here is I1, here is I2, this is I1, this is I2, and the actual current is I, that is I is equal to I1 plus I2. Similarly, when it reached at point B, so current I1 plus I2 are combined, which is equal to current I. That is, here is a parallel combination. I am also explaining you earlier. If we have a segment or wire, and if you observe this T point, okay, this is called junction point. Junction. At junction the current will divide. So junction, where you find the junction in the calculation of your numerical related to the combination, the junction is termed as parallel circuit. That is the arrangement of the resistance or the things which we calculate are in parallel combination. So first we calculate this. Let it be resistance R1, this is R2, and this one is R3. Therefore R2 and R3 are in parallel combination. Okay, parallel combination. Therefore resistance in parallel combination 1 upon RP, parallel के लिए RP यूज कर लेंगे, that is 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Student, I am giving you the result. This RP for the two resistors is R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. For two resistor we are using this direct formula. So on taking LCM we get RP is equal to R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. On putting these value, 2 into 6 upon 2 plus 6, this will become 12 and this is 8. It will be cancelled by 4 by 3 by 2. Therefore Rp is 3 by 2 ohm or 1.5 ohm. This is the value of Rp, and Rp is parallel combination of resistor 2 and 3. Okay, now easy calculation of this to reduce the circuit also. Now the circuit is reduced to point A to B only 2 resistors, because it can be resolved. So this is R1, which is given to you 3.5 ohm, and this is Rp, that is 1.5. Now student, you observe these two are in series. Now R1 and Rp in series, therefore R equivalent, और हम इसे कह सकते हैं RAB, that is R1 plus Rp, that is 3.5 plus 1.5, which is Re is equal to 4.5 5 ohm. This is first answer. Copy this. Okay student, we move to the second solution. That is solution number 3. Now we resolve this solution number 3 for this problem. Here this is resistance R1, this one is R2, this one is R3, this is R4, and last one is R5. Now student, if we are going to solve R1, R5 या R1, R2, then we confused in to how to solve this. It is very easy to find the two simple cases. Here R1 and R2 are in series because there is a turning, and R3 and R4 also in series. So first we solve these two cases. In figure R1 and R2 and R3 and R4 in series. Okay, therefore R12 is equal to R1 plus R2, that is 1 plus 4 is 5 ohm, and R3 plus R34 is equal to R3 plus R4 is equal to 2 plus 3. So R34 is equal to 5 ohm. Okay student, it will be take as 5 ohm. Okay, now after solving these two, get this circuit is reduced to a simple series circuit from A to B. That is, this is R12, this is R5, and this is R34. Okay, this value is 5 ohm, this is also 5 ohm, and this is also 5 ohm. 1 minute, student. Now it is not in the series. It is solved to in parallel case from A to B, that is 5 ohm, 5 ohm, and 5 ohm. This is R12, this is R34, and this is R5. Okay, now R12, R5, and R34 in parallel. Therefore, 1 upon R equivalent, that is RE, 1 upon R12, 1 upon R5 plus 1 upon R34, that is 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5. On solving it, we get 3 upon 5. On taking reciprocal, R equivalent from A to B is 5 by 3 ohm. This is the solution number 3rd. Copy this. Okay, student. Now we go to solve the solution circuit number 2. Okay, solution number 2. Here, student, R1, R2, and R3, and also R4, R5, and R6 in series. Therefore, R1, 2, 3 is equal to 1 upon R1, 1 upon R2, 1 upon R3 is 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 5. Okay, on taking LCM as 30, we get 15 plus, for 30 it is 10, and this is plus 6. 6 5 yeah 30. That is 31 upon 30. Therefore, R1, 2, 3 is 30 upon 31 ohm. This is first solution, and now we go for this R4, 5 and 6, that is 1 upon R4, 1 upon R5 and 1 upon R6. We get 1 upon 1, 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 5. Now the LCM is 20. So this is 20. Here is 5 and here is 4. It will become 29 upon 20. Okay. Okay. Therefore, R456 is equal to 20 upon 29 ohm. Now, the circuit AB is reduced to a simple circuit from A to B, that is R1 to 3 is 30 upon 31 ohm, and this one is reduced to R456, that is 20 upon 29 ohm. Now these two are in parallel. Now R1, 2, 3 and R456 in parallel combination. Therefore, Rp or R equivalent is equal to R123 into R456 upon R123 plus R456. That is 30 upon 31 into 20 upon 29 upon 30 upon 31 plus 20 upon 29. Okay. So student, this mathematical calculation you all do by yourself. I am giving you the answer of this problem to you, that is the answer of this, you will get 5 ohm. Copy. Now student, we go for to solve the fourth problem. Starting from the to simplify the circuit. This is R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5. Now from figure R12 in parallel and R2 3 4 5 in 3 4 5 in parallel. So from figure we get R1 and R2 in parallel and R3, 4 and 5 also parallel. Okay, now we go to solve this. R12 is R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. We get 2 into 30 upon 2 plus 30 is 60 upon 32 is 60 and 32. Now this is cancelled by 2, that is 4. Cancel by 4, that is 15 upon 4 ohm. Okay, therefore R12 is equal to 15 upon 4 ohm. This is first, and R 3 4 5 we name it R P1. ओके R3 ही कर लेते हैं. दिस इज R3, R4 and R5. On putting the values 2, 3 and 6, by taking LCM 6, 1 upon R3 4 5, it will become 1 upon taking LCM as 6, this is 2, this is 3 and 1, it will become 6 by 6 is 1. Therefore R3 4 5 is equal to 1 ohm. Okay, just copy till this point, and I am forming you the simplest circuit after the solving these two boxes. Now the circuit is simplified as this is R12 which we calculate here 15 by 4 ohm, and this is R345 which is calculated as 1 ohm. Okay, now we solve this. Here R12 and R345 in series. Okay, because when the current is start from battery, it goes to this R123 and take turn, then again take turn and go to this R345 and then reach to the negative terminal of the battery. So this is in series. This circuit is also formed as like this. One, 2 and 3, 4, 5. This is 15 by 4 ohm. This is 1 ohm and this is 10 volt battery. Okay student, दोनों में से कोई भी एक सर्किट आफ्टर दिस बनाया जा सकता है. Now we solve this. R equivalent is equal to R12 plus R345, that is 15 by 4 plus 1. On solving we get 19 by 4 ohm. This is R equivalent. 19 by 4. Okay. Now for calculating current by Ohm's law, current is equal to V upon R, that is 10 upon 19 by 4. This will become 10 into 4 by 19, that is 40 by 19, and it is 2. This is 2.21 and become 2.1 ampere approximately. So student, copy this. This is how to solve the problem based on the combination of circuit. Okay student, I am telling you about how to get minimum current and maximum current. For getting the minimum current, solve the circuit in series, and for getting the maximum current, solve the circuit in parallel. Thank you.